What's up, guys? So this is a summary of yesterday court hearing tribunal, the petition tribunal in Abuja. And yes, you guys are fully aware that the video evidence of the other day was later played, and a lot actually happened yesterday at the tribunal. Well, without wasting much of your time, I want to present this to you guys. So take your time, sit back, relax, watch it. You see that there was television, I'll call it television, shy, big screens there, and they televised the whole thing there in court yesterday. Peter Obi and the legal team are not slowing down on this petition, this tribunal. This is the entire highlight. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Hey, Obedience, it's me again. I'm just here to give you a quick summary of what happened today for those who couldn't catch up with the text. I like to have this chit chat, just to say exactly what's on my mind and all that, just make it easy for everyone. So, based on what happened yesterday, for those who read the updates, you read a lot that there was some legal kung fu in court yesterday. Our lawyers and the respondent lawyers, they went at loggerheads in court. Our lawyers wanted to play two clips, but the other lawyers, APC, INEC, and Shetima Tinubu's lawyers, did not want that to happen, right? Their excuses were, one, they were not told about the video. But then our lawyer said it's already in our petition. We did mention in our petition that there's going to be a video, that we're going to play video, audio, written, statements and so forth. So we are within our right. We just cannot give you this video ahead of time to go and play, right? We only said we're going to present these things. So then they came back and said, okay, well, can you give us time to see what's in the video, and then so that we can prepare our questions for the witness? Labour Party said, no, we're not going to do that. We can't do that. We're going to tender it today, and when we're done playing, you can ask the questions you want to ask. But they refused. They said, no. Okay, can you tell us what's in the video? They said, Labour Party said, we don't know what's in the video, right? We don't know what's in the video. Why can't we just play it? Let the judge hear it, and then we go from there, right? So they had this argument back and forth, and before you know it, time wasn't on their side yesterday. It was already past 6 p.m., and they had to close, right? Then today, and before they closed yesterday, the judge admitted the videos. They say, yes, you can play it, but not today anymore because it's getting late. So now they were told to come play it today. And this afternoon, they met in court again. And this time around, after introductions, they went straight to, setting up for the video. And then once the video started playing, the first person in the video was Mahmoud Yakubu having a press conference, and Channels TV was there. A whole lot of things happened, and the reason why Channels TV was singled out was because this clip came from Channels TV, and the guy sitting right there is a subject matter expert. He works for them. He was he's a journalist, so he can best say what happened in that clip, whether it was true or not, whether it was actually, these are all part of the things about evidence. He has to be there to testify that, yes, this video came from us. Yes, we were there when this interview happened and so forth. Okay. So now, after playing that video, then Labour Party lawyers went into a second video of Seun Okin talking to this guy, Festus Okoye, another INEC big shot guy. And then he, the video went on and on. This guy also assured Nigerians that INEC was going to do the right thing. They're going to use beavers. They're going to upload in IREV in real time, all those controversial statements they made before the election, right? So now, the best shocker of the whole incident today was that after playing those two videos, then there was this last clip playing, which everyone was confused, like, waiting be this, what is this again? And this video was about Tinubu announcing that he has picked Shetima, right? He has picked Shetima as his running mate. And people were like, what's the connection with this video? So the judge was like, what is this one playing? What is this video playing right now? And Labour Party lawyer said, this is a video of Tinubu announcing that he picked Shetima as his running mate, and this video is going to prove their ground for disqualification in the petition, right? There were a series of grounds, 4 grounds that were in the petition, which is going to be, to prove why Tinubu is not qualified to run. And Shetima was also mentioned in that petition. And the reason why Shetima was mentioned is because of his double nomination. He was still nominated as senator, and he was also, nominated as a candidate for Tinubu, as a vice president. So he had to leave. He cannot have that 2 double nominations. And he has not tendered his letter. INEC has not received his letter of withdrawal as at the time that announcement was made. So that was what the lawyers were trying to prove in court, you get. So it came as a shock, it came as a blow to the respondents. They did not know what to say because, again, they did not prepare. It was just like a movie in front of them. So when they finally had the opportunity to ask the witness in front of them questions concerning to the videos they just viewed, guess what? They were lost. They were lost. They did not know what to say. They did not have anything to say, So they they decided to ask, is Mahmoud Yakubu alive? Is Festus Okoye alive? Is the driver that drove the cameraman alive? Is the cameraman still breathing? Those stupid, irrelevant questions that wouldn't even help them. At the end of the day, what happened was that those questions they asked, it's not going to stop anything. It's not going to change anything. It's just a waste of time, It did not even help their case. Cha-cha-cha. So that was a very big accomplishment for the Labour Party lawyers. They did good. They pulled a good game in court today, and all their evidences, minus the documents, this was just like the video evidences that they tendered, was accepted in court. So, my guys, I'm telling you, we're moving in the right direction. We're doing so well. Today was sweet, and I'm sure the next coming days will even be sweeter. And here's one thing to keep an eye on. Because of what happened today, the lawyers are going to be so mad. The next time Labour Party wants to tender evidence, then go fight. They don't go agree, make them play them. Or they go beg, make them see waiting there that clip. All right, guys. Take care.
Only last week, we commenced the training of master trainers on election technologies to ensure a seamless process. Beginning from tomorrow, we will commence the same training at zonal level and subsequently train all the ad hoc staff for the 176,846 polling units nationwide. On this note, let me once again reassure Nigerians that there is no going back on the deployment of the bimodal voter accreditation system, BVAS, for voter accreditation. There is no going back on the transmission of results on the INEC result viewing portal, the real time on election day. There will be no incident form that enables ineligible persons to vote using other people's permanent voters' cards during the elections. We are committed to ensuring that the 2023 general election is transparent and credible, reflecting the will of the Nigerian people. The critical foundation for credible election is the voters' register. You may recall that the CVR, which started on the 28th of June 2021, lasted for 13 consecutive months until its suspension on 31st July 2022. During that period, the Commission gave Nigerians regular weekly update showing the progress of the exercise nationwide, including analysis of the distribution of voters by age, occupation, gender, and disability for our planning purposes and for public information. At the end of the exercise, 12,298,944 Nigerians successfully completed the registration as new voters. All along, we have repeatedly assured Nigerians that our process of cleaning up the register is robust. After a rigorous cleaning up of the
particular decision. All right, I need to bring in some of my other guests into the conversation about those who are not happy that almost 2 weeks after the election, INEC has not been able to successfully upload all the results. There is a plan of Occupy INEC protest that has been threatened by some persons in the country. The Labour Party has said they want to monitor and look at how INEC is uploading backing up the result in your portal. Are you considering allowing them to look at how that is being done? Or is that the final answer from INEC that you won't allow the Labour Party to see that?
In terms of the issue of protest, the commission is a public trust. And as far as the commission is concerned, any Nigerian who has any grievance has the constitutional and legal right to come to the commission to protest. The commission will not prevent any individual or group of individuals or any political party association from coming to protest, because the commission is a public trust and is a public institution, and we cannot prevent anybody from coming to protest. On the issue of a political party saying that he wants to come and look at our cloud or look at the IREV or look into the brain of the beavers, the commission will not allow that to happen. Every political party that deployed polling agents has a copy of the polling unit level results. So if a political party wants to now come into the commission and then wants to look at people's biometrics, we will not allow that to happen, because the law does not look. The commission is a regulator of political parties, and the political parties cannot, just because of some of these challenges that have taken place, turn around and want to regulate the commission. The commission will not allow that to happen.
All right. So give me some minutes, because I mean, some of these political parties are already asking that the INEC chairman should be